Hello family, welcome back to Glam Queen DIY, and if this is your first time tuning in, I am Tammy and welcome. Now today's video, you guys, is sponsored by Tifullhome. I'm going to give you Tifullhome's information along with the item codes for these mirrors. Now these are my two mirrors that I did order for them, you guys, and they are those velvet backlit mirrors, 40 by 32. Now Tifullhome also have a website and they do sell on Amazon. I'm going to put all of that information for both down in the description. Now on the screen I'm going to show you some of Tifullhome's amazing product. Now you guys, if you are looking to elevate your space, take it up to another level of elegance, I promise you this is the product to buy. I'm telling you, take my word for it. Well, listen, don't take my word for it. Buy you some, put it in your space, and come back to these comments and let me know what you think. But they do have these backlit mirrors. Now, they don't only sell mirrors, you guys. They do sell some shelving as well. But they also do these backlit mirrors, you guys, in your standard medicine cabinets. Now, if you are a renter, most homes have that old standard medicine cabinet. I promise you, you can elevate a medicine cabinet with these mirrors too. They do have those. They have the beveled edge mirrors along also with that, what I call the infinity of the no edge. So make sure you do check out Tifullhome. I am including their website, the Amazon storefront, and also the item link code for the mirrors that I did purchase. And once again, I did get two of those 40 by 32. Now one thing about these mirrors, they can be hung any way you choose. You can hang them vertically or horizontally. And here, you guys, this is my space. As you can see, these are the builder grade mirrors here in my bathroom. I am going to change it out, and I'm going to take you through that process. Listen, we haven't cleaned up anything. We're going to get all of that done here in a second. But I'm going to take out these builder grade mirrors and elevate the space. Now, as you can see, I did do a little bit of damage because some of that glue was hung on for dear life. And I got cut in the process of trying to take it off. But here's my canvas of where I'm starting from, and we're going to hang these mirrors. And like I told you guys, you can hang these mirrors vertically or horizontally. You can go for a long look or a wide look. Now here's that leveling that will actually hang the mirrors. You see it does have a level actually placed on it, which is for self-leveling, so that you will be able to tell if you have your plate hung correctly. As you see here on the back, where I'm showing you with my hand, where you have that lip for your track to actually hang on the mirror. Now you guys, I will tell you, if you followed my channel for any length of time, you do know I do love these LED mirrors, and I will jazz up any space. Now, maybe you didn't know, you guys, these mirrors are not only beautiful in your bathroom, you guys, they are statement pieces in a hallway, on a living room wall. Listen, in a bedroom, you can honestly place these anywhere to create elegance. So if you like trendy and elegant pieces, this is the item for you. Now I'm still showing you my track here. I have actually marked up my wall, which I know where I should be positioning my track. Now you guys, typically this can be a one-person job, and as you see up close, you can see my markings. At least I hope you can see them. Where you see those little dots, those are my markings for me to place my mirrors. This can be a one-person job, but I do need help. I haven't had 4-string for a while, but I'm showing you where we're getting ready to place these LED backlit mirrors. So you guys, now what I did do was I marked all of my spots. Now I've had assistants hanging the one mirror, you guys, and as you can see, doesn't that look gorgeous? Now you guys, I had to cut the clips because my niece was helping me, and they're not fully into being in front of camera, but that's okay. Now we did get that second mirror hung. As you can see, you guys, these do have the plug. You can also hardwire these as well, but we are utilizing the plug. Now isn't this gorgeous? Once again, those are those 20, I'm sorry, those 40 by 32. You guys, that first button, they do have the defrost mode, and as you can see, the setting of the light is changing. And I will tell you, make sure you use your gloves when you are putting up the mirrors, because once you pull the film off, and I do recommend starting the film before you hang it, so they're not as dirty with the fingerprints up front. But when I tell you guys, these are gorgeous.
It looks
I will be replacing all of these, using these types of mirrors and all for the bathroom here. Yeah, and you guys, this is actually my sister's home. We will be using these mirrors and all for the bathroom. We have done 2 thus far. We do have 2 more bathrooms to go, and we're doing some more upcycling. So make sure you're checking out my videos, and I'm going to be bringing you that extra content as well. And once again, Tifullhome, thank you guys so very much for featuring, for sponsoring these videos. Now you guys, this is what that LED with the backlit, if you want to do a lighted back design, as you saw my sister's accent, what color in her home is that smoke gray. But make sure you do check out Tifullhome. I have all of that information down in that description box, along with the item link and my discount code. Also, go over to their website if you're not shopping Amazon, and I'm just showing you some more stuff from their website as well to give you some inspiration on these lights. As you can see, they do have 3 color temperatures, and they do have that steepless dimming. You guys, when I tell you these mirrors elevate the space, they elevate the space. They have that anti-fall, which I call defrost method, and they're tempered glass as well, so it's more shatterproof as well. So make sure you do check out Tifullhome, and once again, if this is your first time tuning in, make sure you go over and watch 2, 3, 4 more videos. See if you get a feel for the channel, and if this is a channel for you, make sure you do hit that subscribe button, tap that bell twice, it turns blue, and you'll know every time that I am uploading here on the channel. And once again, my name is Tammy if you're new to the channel, and to all my oldies but goodies, thank you guys for continuing to show the channel love and support. Thank you for continuing to help push my channel. I truly appreciate it. And here on Glam Queen of DIY, you guys, we are on that road to that 50,000 followers, and we can make this journey together. So with that being said, share the channel. Thank you once again, Tifullhome, for these mirrors. And you guys, make sure you snag you some mirrors and jazz up your space. And if you do, send me a video clip or just a few pictures. The email is in the description. You guys have a blessed and wonderful